Well, hello everybody, Reviews of Moose here, and the inevitable happened. My wife came home the other day saying that there was something wrong with her back right tire on her Tesla. And I was like, well, what happened? She's like, I don't know, there's some damage to the cover, the wheel cover. I was like, really? I was like, well, how'd that happen? Did you hit a curb? No, I didn't hit no curb. I don't know what happened. Adamantly denying it. There's no way she hit a curb. Unless this wheel cover, this Gemini wheel cover is the Virgin Mary of wheel covers, someone hit a curb. Apparently it wasn't her, and she's the only one that drives a car. So we have the ones that, the Gemini ones that came with the white ones that came with the Tesla originally. You already replaced those with some that ones from Amazon. And of course you can't just buy one of those. So I went ahead and purchased 4 OEM ones right from Tesla, the new black ones. And that's what these are here. And we're going to replace these ones here. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what they look like close to each other, and then I'm going to go ahead and replace them, and I'll be right back. All right, so here's the ones that I got from Amazon, and these are the ones I got directly from Tesla. They are a pretty close match, so I guess I could have only ordered one, but I wasn't sure. So we're going to go ahead and replace these ones here, and put the new Tesla OEMs on there. And then at least I have some more backups if we ever got to go back to there. One thing I do notice that it looks like this is more of a polished black and gray, to where this is more of the matte. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get them replaced. All right, guys, so I got one of them off. And I don't know if anybody's ever taken these off before, but they're pretty easy. But here's the damage that she had done to this one. All the way around. You can see there. So like I said, unless she miraculously didn't hit a curb, but I think proof is in the pudding here that she hit a curb. All right, so we're going to take this one out. It's pretty easy to remove. Just pull it. All right, come off there. Oh, this one got caught back on. Oh, let's go ahead and use 2 hands. All right, so I got all 4 of them off. Took a little bit of elbow grease on a couple of these. And I did break one of the hubcaps taking them off because I was being impatient. But yeah, looks good. I actually like them without the hubcaps or without the wheel covers. So let's go ahead and put the OEM Geminis on. All right, so I got the first one on. One thing is different on these is that it actually doesn't. The other one's covered the gray part here, the metal of the rim. But these actually sit inside, so I don't know. I mean, it looks different, but they still look pretty good. All right, let's go ahead and do the other ones. All right, so we got all 4 of them replaced. Took me about a total of 5 minutes altogether by removing them and putting the new ones on. Kind of like this look a little bit more, I believe. One, they don't stick out as far as the other ones because the other ones stuck out to about right here. So it's kind of like a lip. But yeah, their OEM looks good. And let me know what you guys think of that. Which one you guys like more? The previous ones or the ones that are on here now? And one thing about the rims is that when we have to replace our tires, we already made the decision that we are going to go to the, get some tires and rims from Tesla, and we're going to upgrade to the 20 or 21 inch. We don't know yet. So that's why with these little wheel covers, I mean, if they get damaged again, it is what it is. Because we're going to, I mean, I don't know how long the tires are going to last at 7,000 miles or almost 8,000 miles a year that she drives. I'm thinking it'll probably be about 3 years or so until we have to replace the tires. We do get them rotated every 5,000 miles. And one thing nice is that Discount Tire actually does that for free. They don't charge you anything, but that's cool just in case you guys have a Discount Tire in your area. They do rotate the tires for free. But yeah, we're going to upgrade the rim and tires once we got to get these replaced. And heck of a car. It is pretty nice. And I do like the new hubcaps or new wheel covers, as Tesla would say, the OEM ones. They do look nice. And glad we had those changed out. I'm not glad that she damaged the curb from the thing, but supposedly from the curb. But yeah. All right, so we're going to go ahead and finish the review. All right, so this was Reviews Moose. Let me know what you guys like more. If you guys like these ones here or the ones that are previously on there. I kind of like these. I kind of like that little silver accent around the outside. Looks good. Let me know what you guys think. Again, reviews and who's here. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And everybody have a wonderful day. This is the after.